Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at some exquisite miniatures from Prodos Games and the Predator Elders, and they use a new technique called Unicast. Now I don't know exactly how the technology works, but what I do know is the miniatures are solid one-piece resin miniatures, so you don't need to build these miniatures at all. Now you'd find, or you'd think you would find, I should say, that the miniatures would lack detail, but not so. As you can see from the box art, the miniatures look absolutely stunning. And without further ado, let's have a look at the miniatures, shall we? So the first miniature that I'm going to show you now was a pre-order special miniature that came along with the Elder Predators. And as you can see, the detail on this miniature is just beautiful, guys. Some of my friends are going to be painting up some of the Elder Predators. I'm going to be painting up one of the Elder Predators for a tutorial, hopefully. But I just think they look absolutely wonderful. I'll show you the next one now. And I think this one's going to be the one that I paint up. Looking really epic there with his flowing cape, and he's got a weapon in that hand there. Looks really cool, guys. And we'll take him off and we'll place another one on. And look at that for a dynamic pose, guys. Doesn't that look absolutely wonderful? I love the bases on all of them as well. They've all got really nice detailed bases, and what you normally find when you purchase miniatures, the bases are just plain and it really lets down the miniature, but not the case with these Elder Predators. The bases look just as good as the miniatures themselves. Okay guys, last but not least, we have this Predator here, and we can see it looks like he's just captured an alien that's coming out of a tunnel there. Really nice pose on this Predator, I should say. But let me know what you think of the Elder Predators in the comments field down below, guys. I'll put a direct link to Prodos Games web store where you can check out more of their fantastic miniatures that they sell. And as I say, please look out for the tutorial that I'll be doing shortly on one of the Elder Predators. I really can't wait to paint it up. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.